start the next chapter 3B, which is taken from the chapter decimals. Add. The first question is only add 16, 8.7, 0.94, 6.8, and 7.77. This one the question. We have to add them. What we have seen, after decimals there are only 2 digits. So we have to make it first in like decimals. 16.00, 8.70, 0.94, 6.8, then 0, and 7.77. Now we have to add them. Simply we have to add them. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 plus 7, in hand 1. So 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 8, 25, 25 plus 7, 32. 32 of 2, in hand 3. 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 6, 23, and 23 plus 7, 30, 30 of 0, in hand 3, and 3 plus 1, 4. So your answer is 40.21. This one the additions, and very simple. All these questions like the same pattern which you capable to do so. One more questions. Here question number 8. There you will see 9.09, 0.909, 99.8, 99.9, 9.99, 0.099. Everywhere the 9 is. In these questions, we have to make it in the like decimals. After that, we will add 9.09, 0.909, 99.9, 9.99, and 0.099. So what we have seen, the blank space here, this one the blank space, this one 2 blank space, and one more. Everywhere we have to put 0, and it makes a like decimals. After that, simply we have to add them. So these question number 1 to 8 all are in the same pattern, and hope you are capable to do so. Now question number 9. Subtract 14.79 from 72.43. When we read this question, subtract 14.79 from 72.43, it becomes easy and you will get the concept about it. So the way to solve 72.43 minus 14.79, and after that you have to subtract it. Very simple, you will subtract it. 13 minus 9, 4. 1 is borrowed from here, so it becomes 3. 1 also borrowed from 2, so this becomes 13. 13 minus 7, 6. 11 minus 4, 7, and it becomes 6. 6 minus 1, 5. This one the answer. Now we'll check our answer. 9 plus 4, 13. 6 plus 7, 13 plus 1, 14. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12. And 5, 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So this one the correct answer. Like the same pattern, all are very easy, and question number 1 to 16 are on the same pattern. One more questions I am going to solve. Question number 14. 0.4678 from 5.05. See in this question, once again you will get subtract 0.4678 from 6.05. Now 5.05 will write first, then 0.4678 and make it at first unlike decimals. Here 2 more 0 is required to put it here. After that we will subtract 10 minus 8 to 9 minus 7 to 14 minus 6 8, and this becomes 9 minus 4 5, and here 4. So this one the answer of it. We'll check our answer. 2 plus 8 10, 2 plus 7 9 plus 1 10, and one more 9 plus 6 15, and 6 plus 4 10, and 4 plus 1 5. Yes, of course. Now question number 17. Take out. Take out, it means subtract. To subtract 5.746 from 9.1. When you get in the question, when you understood the question, after that it is easy for you to solve. Here at first we will write down 9.1 and then 5.746, and it will be subtracted. So 2 more 0 is required here, and then you will have to subtract. This one is easy. And after that all questions, I am not going to solve all questions. Here some easy work you will have to do. Question number 18 also said, what is to be added to 63.58 to get 92? In question number 18, we have to add it x. So 63.58 plus x is equal to 92. Here your question is set, and the statement you will have to write. After that, when you get the value of x, you will, this one the answer, 92 minus 63.58, and after that the simplification is your answer. Like the same in question number 19, what is to be subtracted from 8.1 to get 0.813? Question number 19. 8.1 minus x is equal to 0.813. Here 8.1 minus 0.813 is equal to x. This one the simplifications. When you subtract 0.813 from 8.1, you will get the value of x. In question number 20, here by how much should 32.67 is increased to get 60.1? The same thing, 32.67 plus x is equal to 60.1. Look like the same questions. And in question number 21, that was the same pattern of question number 19. By how much should 74.3 be decreased to get 26.87? 74.3 minus what is equal to 26.87. The same thing like question number 19. On the same pattern you will have to do. Now in question number 22, you will say Rohit purchased a notebook for rupees 23 rupees 75 paise, a notebook, a pencil for rupees 2 rupees 85 paise, and a pen for rupees 15 rupees 90 paise. He gave a 50 rupee note to the shopkeeper. 50 rupee note to the shopkeeper. What amount did he get back? This one the very simple questions, and every day these questions you have utilized these questions in your life. Many times you have purchased the books, pen, biscuits from the shopkeeper. That time you gave a 50 rupee note and how much amount you have bought from them, and they return back. They have returned the money. So this one the question. Now added all the goods which you have bought. A notebook, for rupees 23 rupees 75 paise. A pencil for rupees 2 rupees 85 paise, and a pen for rupees 15 rupees 90 paise. This one here added all three goods, and you have to subtract 50 rupees note which you have get to the shopkeeper, and shopkeeper will return this amount. When you added this amount, and you have to write down here, and when you subtract it, you get your answer. I am not going to solve all type questions. I have given you only the clue, only the idea. After that you will have to do, because I don't want to hamper your activities, and such type of questions not to copy down. This one the very important questions, and in everyday life we have to do such type of work. So it's not a big task. Thus our chapter is completed, 3B is completed, and you will proceed the next one whenever you will have to do this one. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.